De Maria, the Director General of the WHO, has stated that no country will cede sovereignty to the WHO, referring to the WHO's new pandemic agreement and the proposed amendments to the international health regulations currently being negotiated. His statements are clear and unequivocal, and also wholly inconsistent with the text he's referring to. And I would remind the Chamber that this is the unelected, unaccountable, non-tax-paying, immune from prosecution due to diplomatic immunity Director General of the WHO, and that all employees of the United Nations and the WHO enjoy these particular perks. Any rational examination of the text in question show that the documents propose a transfer of decision-making power to the WHO regarding basic aspects of societal function which countries undertake to enact. The WHO Director General will have the sole authority to decide when and where they're applied, and the proposals are intended to be binding under international law. Continued claims that sovereignty is not lost, echoed by politicians in this House and other elected assemblies, and of course the media, therefore raise very important questions concerning motivations, competence and indeed ethics. The intent of the text is a transfer of decision-making currently vested in nations and individuals to the WHO, when its Director General decides that there is a threat of a significant disease outbreak or other health emergency likely to cross multiple national borders. It is very unusual for nations to undertake to follow external entities regarding the basic rights and healthcare of their citizens, more so when this has a major economic and geopolitical implication. The question of whether sovereignty is indeed being transferred and the legal status of such an agreement is therefore of vital importance, particularly to legislators of democratic states such as ourselves. We have an absolute duty to be sure of our ground, and I systematically examine that ground here today.